Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for the question. As an introduction, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the benefit of the House and the public, let me briefly share what the South Pacific Tourism Exchange, or SPTE, is. The South Pacific Tourism Exchange, an initiative of the Pacific Tourism Organization, formerly the Tourism Council of the South Pacific, stands as a major annual tourism exchange. It is, in essence, the Pacific region's flagship tourism event, a vital platform that brings together industry leaders, dedicated professionals, and key stakeholders from across our great ocean under a single roof. This event was conceived from a collective commitment rooted in our shared vision to provide our international travel partners the essential opportunity to see, experience, and champion our regional tourism products, ensuring the Pacific remains their destination of choice. Mr. Speaker, sir, well over a decade ago, we witnessed the beginning of this journey, moving from the Mbula Fiji Tourism Exchange to subsequent national efforts like the Fijian Tourism Exchange. But today, with the coalition government's commitments to the spirit of regionalism, the Ministry of Tourism and Civil Aviation has partnered with SPDO to reclaim that shared legacy to bring this essential unifying element of the Pacific back to the fore. In doing so, Fiji's hosting of SPDE serves a greater purpose. It ensures a crucial platform for small island brothers and sisters, those nations who do not have possessed the resources for their own expositions, guaranteeing that every Pacific nation is represented to a global market. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm pleased to update this House that SPDE delivered its strongest operational performance to date. The event brought together over 225 trade floor participants, including 82 sellers from 17 countries and territories, and 60 trade buyers from 16 countries across Oceania, UK, Europe, Asia, and North America. 80% of primary seller representatives and 74% of buyers held senior decision-making titles, ensuring that the discussions held on the trade floor carried significant commercial weight. SPDO notably enhanced its program this year by introducing two vital components. One, the inaugural SPDO Industry Day. This executive-level session, convening 93 delegates, delivers essential strategic briefings covering sector competitiveness, including aviation, digital marketing, sustainability mandates, and proactive crisis management strategies. And two, the Women in Business Showcase, a critical platform designed to foster inclusive growth. This initiative provided dedicated market access for women-led enterprises from 6 Pacific nations, enabling direct commercial engagement with international buyers. Hosting the SPDE, Mr. Speaker, sir, back to back with our own Fijian Tourism Exchange, also greatly assists the Pacific as a whole to have access to Fiji's buyers and sellers. So it is quite a strategic undertaking that helps pull resources and market opportunities. Mr. Speaker, sir, Fiji's hosting provided critical market access for our small island states and territories on own assist through development partner support. Lebanon sellers from underrepresented markets, including Kiribati, Niue, and the Marshall Islands, were able to participate and showcase their unique cultural products. Mr. Speaker, sir, being host to another year of SPDE is a testament to Fiji's renewed commitment to regional tourism and tourism that is empowering, resilient, prosperous, and inclusive. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
I thank the Deputy Prime Minister.